Yeah, so a lot of persons have been coming to my DMs to ask me the kind of application or what I use in paying for my for my stuffs I buy abroad. Now today I'm going to be showing you the application I use in paying for my stuffs when I buy stuffs abroad and how seamless it is using. What's up guys, this is Unique Vid here again. If it's the first time you're watching our video, kindly click the subscribe button and follow us for more videos like this one. Well, today I'm going to be introducing the app to you. Please note this is not a sponsored ad. This is more like from my own recommendation and review. Well, I'm going to be introducing the chippercash app to you. Now you can get this application on your iOS and Android. Quickly head over to Play Store or App Store to download this application. It's called chippercash. You see the icon on the screen. Now, once you've downloaded this application, you open it. And you open it and you see an option to sign up. Yeah, that's the first step. You sign up, entering your credentials, your name and all. Then when you're done entering your credentials, the next step is to identify yourself. Yes, chippercash will want you to identify yourself using your government-issued identity card. It could be voter's card, NIN, driver's license, international passport, whichever one you have available. Now, once you're done verifying yourself, it takes 2 or 3 days to get verified. Once you're verified, then congratulations. Then the third step you have to do is to buy your dollar card. Now, as at the time I bought this dollar card, it was around 3,000 naira. The dollar card duration is 1 year. So after 1 year expires, and you have to renew if you choose to renew. Now, after buying this dollar card, you'll be given a virtual card, not a physical card. You get a virtual card. Now, this virtual card has every number that the normal card has, except that you don't have it physically. Now, you can use this to purchase whatsoever you want to buy online seamlessly. And I don't think you have any issues with that. If you've been using this card, kindly tell us your experience and review under the comment section. And if you've not used this card before, kindly try it and give us your review. This is my honest review and I just choose to share with my people. If it's the first time you're watching videos with us, kindly click the subscribe button and follow us for more videos like this one. See ya.